Missing important tasks? Set Android reminders now. First, using Google Assistant or Gemini. On your Android phone, activate Google Assistant or Gemini by saying, "Hey, Google." Say your command clearly, like, "Remind me to attend my meeting at 3 p.m., for example. This will invoke the Google Tasks app and creates a reminder for you instantly. Second, using the Google Tasks app directly. For this, look for the Google Tasks app on your Android phone and open it. Then tap on the plus button to create a new task. Enter a title for your reminder, something relevant to the task like Submit Project Report. Then tap on the date and time icon above the keyboard. Here, choose the desired date and time for your reminder. Finally, save the task. Your reminder is now created. That's how you can easily set reminders on Android.